Have you ever had a pawpaw tree blossom beautifully, so full of promise, yet never bears a single fruit? It can be frustrating, can't it? You wait, you water, you hope, but nothing comes. In moments like this, many gardeners think of that verse in the Bible: every tree that does not bear good fruit shall be hewn down. But before you cut down that poor tree, let's pause a moment, because maybe the problem isn't with your care, it's with your tree's nature. Here is why your pawpaw tree flowers but do not bear fruit, and the solution. When pawpaw tree flowers but do not bear fruit, it's usually due to the plant sex. Yes, sex. Now let's get serious, class. Plants can be male, female, or both. A plant sex is determined by the type of flower it bears, whether a male flower or a female flower. Unlike many fruit trees, pawpaw is dioecious. A dioecious plant is a plant species in which the male and female flowers grow on separate individual plants. One plant bears only the male flowers and another plant bears only the female flowers. This means a single plant cannot produce fruit on its own. They must be near each other for pollination and fruiting. So in pawpaw, some trees are males or pollen producers, some are females or fruit producers, and others are both. The male tree will never bear fruit, as typical of every male living organism in nature. Only the female or the hermaphrodites can bear fruit. So if your tree is male, the only solution is to plant a female tree closer to it for pollination and fruiting. Most common plants are bisexual, but the pawpaw plant is a bit special when it comes to flowers because it can be male, female, or bisexual. Male pawpaw plants produce only male flowers, meaning they can make pollen but cannot produce fruit or seeds. Female pawpaw plants produce only female flowers, which means it can bear fruits but only if pollinated by pollen from a male flower. And hermaphrodite pawpaw plants have both male and female organs in the same flower or on the same plant and can self-pollinate and produce fruits on their own. If your pawpaw flowers are in large clusters on thin stalks, they are male. If they appear larger, single, and close to the stem, they are female. And if they are tube-shaped and in short clusters, they are hermaphrodite. Male pawpaw trees produce only male flowers. They produce pollen, but they cannot bear fruits. The male flowers or inflorescence are small, many, and borne in clusters that hang on branch stalks that extend away from the trunk rather than being close to the trunk or the main stem. The stalks are long and thin and cannot support the weight of any potential fruit.